Several months later.
Hey guys, Infinite Enzo here with Wolfman Walsh. We're alive. Sorry it's been so long since we've uploaded anything, guys. Life has been crazy, wouldn't you say?
It's been busy.
It's been busy. Me and my family came down with the couve, so that was fun. And then just a whole bunch of work stuff happened. But we're here tonight with something really cool. This is from a good buddy of ours over in Sweden, our good friend EDC Nord on Instagram. We'll get to that in a minute though. We need to start off with a pocket check, don't you think?
Let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna take the lead if you don't mind.
Feel free.
All right, so I have my main blade today is a gift from Wolfman Walsh. It's the, ooh Lord, there we go, the Civivi Riffle. This is my Firewalker mod. I dyed the scales kind of a burnt orange color. I milled out a little section here for easier thumb access to that thumb hole. Did some rock carving on the spine there, and my 3-layer abyss wash, as I call it, on the blade. Awesome, snappy, fun Civivi. As great as all Civivis are. We all know how awesome Civivi is. Secondary blade today is the Case Saddle Horn. This is a Tony Bose design, and it's, oh Lord, God. It's a Tony Bose design. We have a Lanny style clip point on the main blade. Secondary is a Skinner, and as you can see, it's got a very Tony Bose-esque shield right there in the center. Very cool little knife from Case. Really good fit and finish on this one. The action's not super snappy, but there is zero blade play, which with Case is a triumph. So there's that, and lastly, the Microtech Ultratech Spartan. I don't know why, but for me, left-hand carry for this thing is the way to go. It's great left-handed for me.
Well, because you know you can use it ambidextrously, where that one, those you have to pull out right-handed.
That's exactly, and it's remarkable. It's even easier for me. I don't know why. I guess my grip strength is better in my left hand, but great little knife, great big knife. A couple of coins. One of these is from Walsh. This is a 50th anniversary Walt Disney World coin, and it has R2-D2 on one side and Mickey on the other. But if I'm being honest, I'm carrying it for old R2 here. But a great gift from Walsh, really appreciate that. And then I also have a gift from a buddy of mine who just received some military honors, and he gave these challenge coins out to almost as like thank yous to everybody that attended the ceremony. So very cool design. It's got his name on one side, so I don't want to put that out there in case he doesn't want it out there. But awesome, very cool. What about you, Walsh? What you got? Here, I'll hold the camera here. Do a little flip around.
The R2-D2 theme continues because I have my very own coin myself.
Yes, sir.
And it goes with our R2-D2 mod.
Yes, sir.
So the Rat 2 R2-D2.
Very nice. Now we've done a video on that knife, haven't we?
No.
I haven't edited it yet.
Yeah, we did kind of like maybe a short on it. So we've got that, and then I've also got my Kaiser Towser.
The Towser K, man. The action, I'm sure you guys already know, because this knife's been out for a little bit, but the action on these things is just...
You got to get your hand out a little bit.
It's absurd.
It just drops, yeah. But I'm kind of the same way, where I can... That was not a good example, because I'm on camera. But left-handed, ambidextrous.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
That's awesome.
And 154.
And Kaiser does a really good job with their 154. It's really well dialed in. The heat treat's fantastic.
So that's my
Okay.
carry for today.
Awesome. Well, guys, why don't we get into opening up this package? Before we do that, I do want to shout him out, but I can't remember his exact. You remember the exact orientation of his username on Instagram? It's like edc.nord, isn't it?
edc.nord. There may be an underscore in there.
That's what I thought. Sorry, guys. Well, we got to give him some credit because I know what's in here and it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah. So Walsh is going to look it up for us real quick. I'm going to have a sip of beer.
I can just hold it up in front of the camera, but yeah, no, you're right. Just edc.nord.
edc.nord. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's edc.nord. Really great guy from in Scandinavia, and I think he's. I know he does some leather work every now and then. He also does a little bit of modding, and I think if he can do what is in this box, if he can produce it a little bit for a wider audience, I think he really wants to. So let's get into it, guys. Bust out the Firewalker here and see what we got. All the way from the glorious nation of Sweden. Okay. All right. Nice and protected. I appreciate that. Thank you, buddy. And oh, he put it in a QSP box. I know he did a mod on a QSP recently, but oh, look at that, guys. How cool is that? So that says Nord Leather there, and that's got his little, he has this insignia on his Instagram page as well. It's his, like a bundle of arrows, very cool. And what this is a titanium pry bar.
Nice.
How cool is that? So he told me he was gonna have one of these over to me. Obviously it's a bottle opener as well. He asked me, he goes, "Do you have a dedicated pry bar?" I said, "No, I don't. I just use my Leatherman and I just pull out the flathead," which obviously is not ideal. So he's like, "You need a dedicated pry bar, dude." And I just finished working on these, and he's made a few of them. So hopefully, if he's got a streamlined process, he can sell some of these. But yeah, really excited to get this into the collection here, and definitely going to be EDC in this. I'm super stoked. Damn it, I should have waited to open the beer with it.
There you go.
We'll do it later. Anyways, you want to have a look at that, man? So yeah, very cool, very nice little package here too with the sheath. I'm pretty impressed.
Some great work there too.
Yeah. No, his leather work's fantastic, man. Like, that sheath looks great.
Good job, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks EDC Nord. We appreciate it, man. And hopefully, you know, if you're ever in the States, let us know. We'll get together and have a gear hang or something. You know, I don't know. But anyway, I guess that's about it, guys. You got anything you want to add, man?
No, we're tonight's just kind of a guys' night where we get together, talk about knives, drink beer, and play some board games.
Play some board games.
Because we're old.
Exactly. That's the highlight. This is the highlight of my week right here.
It is.
You know, getting some board games in. Anyway, guys, y'all have a good one. Thanks so much for joining us. Cheers.
Cheers, brother.
Thanks again, EDC Nord. And yeah, hopefully, guys, once we get caught up on work and stuff and just life, we will get some videos pumped out again. But until then, we will see you guys next time.